Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LangGraph Explained, Building Complex AI Workflows. Imagine you want to build an AI that doesn't just answer a single question, but can actually think through multiple steps, make decisions, and use different tools. That's exactly what LangGraph helps developers do. It's like a blueprint for building really smart, multi-step AI systems that go way beyond a simple chatbot. When you ask ChatGPT, what is LangGraph? Single quote, that's a simple, single-step AI interaction. But what if you wanted your AI to research LangGraph? Summarize it for a beginner. Find beginner-friendly code examples, and then draft an email explaining it to your team. That requires a workflow, a sequence of steps, decisions, and actions. LangGraph helps us program these sophisticated AI workflows. Don't worry, a graph in computer science isn't a bar chart. Think of a simple flowchart or a subway map. A graph is just a way to show connections between different points. In LangGraph, each point in your AI's journey, like search the web or summarize text, is a node, and the arrows connecting them, telling the AI what to do next, are called edges. It's a visual way to plan your AI's actions. In your LangGraph workflow, every individual action your AI performs is a node. A node could be asking a large language model, LLM, a question, using a special tool you built, like a function to search a database or browse the internet, or even running a piece of your own Python code to process information. Nodes are the distinct tasks, or steps, in your AI's process. Once you have your nodes, your AI's steps, how do you tell your AI what to do next? That's where edges come in. An edge is the path between two nodes. It can be a simple, always go to the next step, connection. Or it can be conditional. This means your AI can make decisions. If the user asks a question about code, then go to the code generation node. Else go to the general answer node. This makes your AI truly dynamic. Imagine building a complex multi-step AI, but it forgets what happened in the previous step. It wouldn't make sense. LangGraph manages a state. Think of it like a persistent scratchpad or a shared memory that all nodes in your workflow can access and update. This state ensures your AI remembers conversations, results from previous steps, and keeps track of its progress through the workflow, enabling continuous, coherent operations. Let's imagine an AI that answers questions and can use a web search tool. Here's a simplified LangGraph idea. 1. Node A. Initial query. Ask the LLM to provide an answer. 2. Edge. Conditional. If the LLM says it needs more information or can't answer, then go to Node B. Else, stop and give the LLM's answer. 3. Node B. Web search. Use a web search tool with the user's query. 4. Edge. Always. After getting search results, always go to Node C. 5. Node C. Synthesize answer. Ask the LLM to combine its knowledge with the search results to give a comprehensive answer. This structured flow allows your AI to perform complex reasoning. For developers, LangGraph is incredibly empowering. It gives you precise control over your AI's behavior, allowing you to design agents that can plan, iterate, make complex decisions, and robustly use various tools. You're not just prompting an AI, you're engineering sophisticated AI agents that can tackle real-world challenges, making your AI applications more intelligent, reliable, and powerful, all within your Python code. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.